Hi, this is Ben Schwarm, Director of Government Relations for the Illinois Chiropractic Society, with a brief legislative update. The 103rd Illinois General Assembly finished its business Tuesday as the newly elected members of the 104th General Assembly were sworn into office on Wednesday. This interim period between the November election and the swearing in of legislators on the second Wednesday of January, per our Constitution, is often referred to as the lame duck session. Lawmakers met each day from Saturday, January 4th, through Tuesday, January 7th. Though historically the lame duck session has been known for passing controversial issues such as tax increases, pension enhancements, and the like, nothing quite that dramatic occurred this year. Legislative leadership mostly set the agenda with leftover items from the last session. During those session days, the ICS monitored closely all legislative action and reviewed each bill and amendment that was considered. No approved legislation should have significant impact on the chiropractic community. There's a bit of drama over the proposed Hemp Consumer Products Act, a bill that would strongly regulate the non-intoxicating hemp industry. The bill was considered in the spring session, but was ultimately stopped in the House of Representatives because of concerns by House leadership. The situation repeated itself these last few days, with the bill again passing the Senate and stalling again in the House. The political drama came from Governor J.B. Pritzker being in strong support of the measure and Chicago Mayor Brandon Johnson fighting against it. Legislation regulating the hemp industry and spelling out exactly who may sell hemp and CBD products and how will definitely be back in the spring legislative session. In the new session, the ICS will again be fighting against insurance discrimination among medical providers and for equity in the various medical disciplines. The legislature will be in session most weeks from late January through the adjournment at the end of May. As always, ICS will be participating in the Capitol to advocate for chiropractic physicians. Thanks for everything you do, and we will catch up with you again later.